Easy WMS is Mecalux's cutting-edge warehouse management system, designed to maximize productivity across all logistics operations. Available in 14 languages, this digital solution has been implemented in over 1,100 facilities in 36 countries. With Easy WMS, companies can boost productivity by up to 60%, increase storage capacity by up to 40%, and virtually eliminate errors up to 99%. The software manages all types of manual, semi-automated, and fully automated warehouses, supporting businesses as they grow. Easy WMS orchestrates every process performed in a facility, acting as the warehouse mastermind. It coordinates intralogistics operations holistically, from start to finish. During inbound operations, the software oversees multiple tasks, including incoming order management, receiving dock assignment, container labeling, quality control, and cross-docking. In the storage area, Easy WMS plays a key role in managing different types of inventory through advanced rules and slotting strategies for putaway, stock replenishment, and allocation. It also provides a real-time 3D graphical display of the facility's status. During order fulfillment, Easy WMS distributes tasks to operators, guiding them with precise instructions to ensure error-free picking. The system generates optimal routes to minimize travel time and organizes packing and labeling operations efficiently. At the outbound stage, Easy WMS manages shipping orders and vehicle loading. The system supports integration with all major carriers. Easy WMS delivers significant gains in warehouse productivity. It optimizes available resources, reduces unnecessary inventory movements, and eliminates errors caused by manual management. Mecalux's warehouse management system is designed to operate in the cloud with a microservices architecture. This setup enables continuous improvements and updates with zero downtime. For organizations that prefer local hosting, an on-premise version is available. Easy WMS is both scalable and modular. Through a wide range of advanced add-on modules, companies can quickly and easily expand the system's capabilities. The Mecalux solution integrates seamlessly with all types of automated systems and equipment, delivering high-performance logistics operations. It can also interface with other Mecalux or third-party systems in a facility, such as ERP, WCS, MES, WES, TMS, or DOM software. Mecalux applies advanced analytics powered by artificial intelligence to ensure continuous improvement and predictive maintenance across facilities. Clients can also leverage Mecalux software tools to configure and modify their warehouse layouts independently. Easy WMS is an omni-channel, multi-warehouse management system built to adapt to any logistics challenge, from the simplest needs to the most complex, no matter how demanding. Mecalux has a dedicated team for implementing and supporting Easy WMS across Europe, North America, and Latin America. Clients benefit from 24/7 remote support services in multiple languages. Easy WMS is backed by the expertise of a global intralogistics company that has been developing storage solutions and technologies since 1966.